Abby Dyer Eminette. Welcome to 30 Days of Social Media Post Ideas in 30 Minutes using ChatGPT. It looks like I'm live. I'm going to give it just a second. So again, we are here for today's masterclass, 30 Days of Social Media Post Ideas in 30 Minutes using ChatGPT. Now, my name is Abby Dyer Eminette, and I'm an AI expert and business coach and a total ChatGPT geek. It is my favorite of the AI tools that exist right now for a lot of different reasons. But today we're going to talk about how you easily and effortlessly can create 30 days of social media post ideas in 30 minutes. And I'm talking about this today because I often have clients that really struggle. They really struggle staying consistent with posting. They really struggle coming up with ideas for posting. Being consistent really makes a difference in terms of connecting with your ideal client and therefore making sales. And that is something that all of us need. I wanted today to talk about the ideas for social media posting, and I'll do another masterclass where we talk about actually creating posts. I'll touch on it today, but this is really how do you get the best ideas out of ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT is a standalone AI tool. If you are not familiar with it, this is what the screen looks like. And it's like a chatbot. If you have been online and chatted to return a product, or because you have something technically that isn't working, you've used a chatbot. It's really that simple. This box where it says, "What can I help with?" is the chatbot. And I know sometimes we overcomplicate tech. In this case, using ChatGPT is really that simple. One of the things that we're going to talk about today is something called prompts. And prompts, and you may have heard of prompt engineering, is really the way that we get the best information out of a tool like ChatGPT. So a prompt that you might use for our topic today, 30 days in 30 minutes, and where we're doing ideas for 30 days. Give me 30 days of Facebook post ideas. Right? Be simple enough. You might get a response that looks like this. And at the end of the day, how great is this? Right? Compared to when I came online 4 years ago, there was no availability to a ChatGPT. If you needed to come up with ideas, you were doing it yourself. You were brainstorming alone, or you were talking to another female entrepreneur or to your VA. But it was difficult. I remember content being one of the things that I found really daunting. I felt like an imposter, even though I had 25 years of corporate executive experience, a billion-dollar company, making multiple six figures, managing a $60 million budget. I still felt like an imposter because I didn't have any content. And at that time, the ways that you could get content were buying it, right? Already put together content that somebody else had done, hiring a copywriter. There just wasn't the flexibility or the ease or the game-changing, mind-blowing AI that exists for us today. But if you put in the prompt that I just shared, it's likely to look like this. The way that we can make prompts work for us is to be much more specific. We will get better results if we are more specific. Here's a prompt that is more specific. How do I create a month's worth of content in 30 minutes? Share a step-by-step method. Now that's more specific than the last prompt. And what I'm going to introduce to you today is something called, what I call the AI persona framework. And we're going to use two pieces of it today in order to improve the results that we get from a tool like ChatGPT. We're going to share in the chat what type of coach or entrepreneur we are, and we're going to give the bot 3 or 4 of our core values. Now, I like to say that I help people put the authentic I in AI. And that's because we work on, and I work with my clients on getting chat tools like ChatGPT to sound like you, to come out in your voice, to be something that's actually going to resonate and connect with your dream client. Right? We can post social media all day long, but if it doesn't connect, then we're not getting the best results. This is going to help us better connect because you're going to share with ChatGPT some key ideas about you, some key characteristics. Now, for this example today, for our 30 days of ideas in 30 minutes, I'm going to be a fitness coach. And my 3 or 4 core values are going to be hard work, healthy lifestyle, kindness, and generosity. Now I'm going to update my prompt. How do I create a month's worth of content in 30 minutes? Share a step-by-step method. And here's my AI persona. I'm a fitness coach, and my values are hard work, healthy lifestyle, kindness, and generosity. Now let's see how that change in the prompt, that additional detail, changes the response that we get. We have now gotten a response that is much more specific. And it says, hey, content creation doesn't have to take hours. Here's who you are. Here's a content strategy. Here's how I'm going to help you with 30 days of posts in 30 minutes. And the first thing it recommends is to choose 5 core content pillars. It's a really, really great suggestion. My recommendation to you as you're thinking about how you do 30 posts in 30 minutes is, what does core content look like for you in your niche? Now, again, for our fitness coach, which is our example here, it gave fitness tips and workouts, nutrition and healthy lifestyle, motivation and mindset, client wins and social proof, and personal stories and behind the scenes. And if I think about content in general for Facebook, those are some good categories for a fitness coach. Now, step 2, it says, hey, you've got these 30 ideas. Let's think about generating all the ideas that you need for a month. Now, if you'll notice, the prompt once again gets more specific. Give me 30 engaging social media post ideas for a fitness coach who values hard work, healthy living, kindness, and generosity, which were the values we gave as part of the AI persona. But it adds another detail. Include workout tips, nutrition advice, motivation, and personal insights. And like the game-changing magic that AI is, it gets more specific in its response. So now it's saying, in our category of workout tips and fitness advice, one of the ideas for a post would be the number 1 workout mistake I see and how to fix it. Share a common mistake and a simple correction. What I find in working with AI is it is all about iteration. It's about iteration and refinement. And I like to say there are 3 things that we need to follow from a prompt perspective. We need the prompt itself, we need to run it, and then we need to refine it. And it's over and over and over. Rinse and repeat. Prompt, run, refine. Prompt, run, refine. And then I ask it, okay, well, give me the post on the number 1 workout mistake I see and how to fix it. And this is the Facebook post that it gave me. And that's just 1, right? I can ask for 10, I can ask for 15, I can ask for 30. Now, the next step it recommends in your 30 days and 30 minutes is write a social media caption, post idea, make it engaging, include a strong hook, value, and a call to action. Again, we're giving the prompts more detail. We are, from an AI output perspective, the example you're going to get, struggling to stay motivated. Here's one trick that changed my fitness journey forever. And then my version is, let's be real. Some days motivation is MIA, but here's the mindset shift that keeps me moving no matter what. Ready for it? Drop a yes below and I'll share. And this is one of my core messages when I talk to people about using AI. It does not replace your voice. It's not intended to replace your voice. I would not suggest using it to replace your voice. It is to enhance what you are able to do. And in this case, with your social media and your social media strategy. Step 4, repurpose each post in multiple formats. And I would take that a step further. You can absolutely repurpose it for Reels, for TikTok, for LinkedIn, other platforms. You can also repurpose it for Facebook. So let's say, and let me go back here to this number 1 workout mistake I see and how to fix it. If I like this post, I can go back, and again, this is part of our iteration and refinement, and I can say, the number 1 workout mistake I see and how to fix it, copy and paste this particular post and say, I liked this post. Please model 30 more posts after this one. And it will give me 30 more posts that are very similar in structure and format and idea, which I can then use for my Facebook group, my profile, other people's groups, wherever I'm posting. All right, so repurposing is another great way to get your 30 days in 30 minutes. The last step is schedule and automate everything. And today I'm just going to quickly run through how you schedule in Facebook, in a Facebook group. Because at the end of the day, I am a huge fan of Facebook groups. They are amazing communities. I'm thankful to be part of them. I love getting to connect with people. And that's the great thing about a Facebook group. It is a wonderful community. And so I'm going to show you today how you can easily schedule 30 days of posts as you're doing your 30 days in 30 minutes. Bottom line is, AI helps us create faster. But I want you to still bring your heart and your values and your energy to every post. And using the AI persona that we talked about, being much more specific in what we put in our prompts, we will get better results from ChatGPT. Now, this is my group, Female Coaches Easily Create Content, Copy, and Courses Using AI. And I've circled here the space in your group where you would put a post. So you're going to post something to your group. This is where you find the scheduling information too. I'm scheduling a post, and if you look down here at the bottom, you see something with the pink arrow that looks like a little calendar. That's how we schedule. If we click on that, it gives us this. Choose a date and time in the future when you want your post to be published. And I said today at 12:50, and then you hit schedule. It is as simple as that to post your 30 days in 30 minutes. Now, we used ChatGPT in the free version 4.0 to do what I just showed you. There are better, more customized ways to use ChatGPT. One of the things that I utilize with my clients is a custom GPT. Now, the name of this custom GPT is K. That is Custom Assistant Expert. This particular K is for group socials. I have built, 24 different custom GPTs that do all kinds of things. They are trained in LinkedIn. They're trained in Instagram. They're trained in writing email sequences. But since we're talking about 30 days and 30 minutes today, and there is a better way to be able to do this that gets you even better results, I wanted to mention this. So you can have a custom bot. And in this case, I trained Kay hours and hours and hours of training on viral posts, on the types of posts that I wanted to be utilizing in social media. And now there's an opportunity for you to be able to use Kay and jumpstart, skip over some of the challenges that happen when you use the free or paid version of ChatGPT. One of those things is it doesn't keep what you put in the chat. So once you put it in the box and click on it, and then you click for a new chat, it has left that information behind. I have trained and configured Kay on the back end to be a GPT that is specifically focused on marketing social media expert assistant for female entrepreneurs, trained on creating social media content, again, putting the authentic I in AI, and trained on group social marketing. It is specifically trained, and think of it like an assistant. Think of it like a VA, or think of it like a marketing expert. It's a new employee. And when I trained it like I would train a new employee. All of those years in corporate, I utilized my operations skill set to train the bot so that it gave me even better results than what I just showed you. I'm going to drop a link, and that link will take you to a free guide, Authentic Voice AI Strategies for Female Entrepreneurs, and you will be able to get that and utilize that. It talks about some of the things we talked about today. It talks about AI persona. It talks about strategies for making your voice more authentic in what you are producing for your social media. It has a list of values for you to be able to select so that you can use those for your AI persona. So I'm going to drop the link. You'll get the free guide. After the free guide, there'll be an opportunity for you to buy Kay if you would like to do that and be able to, again, even further make your responses more authentic, more your voice, more consistent, make them resonate more with your ideal or dream customer. I would absolutely love for you to come over and join my group. Again, it's Female Coaches Easily Create Content, Copy, and Courses Using AI. And you can see the link here if you want to type in the link. It's Facebook groups, Get More Clients Using AI. And I would love to see you in the group where we talk about AI consistently. Not just ChatGPT, though again, it is my favorite. We talk about lots of different tools that are coming out or being enhanced with AI functionality. All right, that's it for the live today. Again, check out the comments. I'm going to drop the link so that you can get the free guide and definitely come over and join the group. And I look forward to seeing you online. Have a great day.